Hi, this is Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares, and I decided to hop on this afternoon to just quickly show you how I made these two activities that I posted earlier. One I did for sight words, and the other one I did for numbers. And I'm going to tell you quickly what you need. You'll need a ruler to draw your lines, either a magic marker or a pen or a crayon or colored pen, a pair of scissors. You may use a pencil if you want to use that to make your lines and then go over it with the magic marker. Then of course you will need some brass fasteners. And you know how I always like to get low cost things. So you can go to Dollar Tree or Walmart or Dollar General to get your brass fasteners. So I'm going to take this one apart, and as I said, you use the two plates. So I will remove the brass fastener so you can see on the back of one plate, using my ruler, I drew the lines, and then I went over the lines with my magic marker, and I wrote in each of the pie slices a word. And after I do that, then I just simply punch a hole in the center of each pie plate, and I put the brass fastener through and open the end. And there I have my activity. And you can have the word for the day. They can make sentences or say sentences using the word. They can also search for the word. You can have them find the word in a book or a newspaper, or in some cases, you may even, depending on what the word is, have them draw a picture to show you what the word is. And of course, the other plate, I use numbers for math. So again, this is something that you can do for really any activity and turn it into an instructional tool for practice. They can go outside, and you, of course, accompany them and see if they see the number that you are studying that day on somebody's door or on a mailbox. So that was real quick and easy and simple. An older sibling can make it. And as I said, always be safe and take care. And don't forget, Sheila E. cares. Bye.